Hi guys, welcome to the How to Crack the Java interview. What is interface? Interface. If you don't know anything about the implementation, you have the requirement specification, then you should go for the interface. Interface is the blueprint of the class. Interface is the blueprint of the class. Interface contain all the methods are abstract. Interface contain the methods. All the methods are abstract class before Java 8. In the Java 8 interface also contain static method and default method. Static method, why use the static method and the default method? Default method it is used the backward compatibility to the older interface. We'll see. If you don't know anything about the implementation, you have only requirement specification, then you should go for the interface. Interface is the blueprint of the class. Interface also represent a easy relationship. Before Java 8, interface contain uh, constant variable and abstract method, but in the Java 8 interface contain first constant variables, abstract method, then third is default methods, fourth is static method. Why default method is introduced in Java? Default method is introduced because of the it will provide the default method will provide the backward compatibility to the older interface. Then Java 1.9 it is introduced static method and it is introduced the private method in the interface. It is introduced the private method. Fifth one is private method. Sixth one is the static private method. Sixth one is the static private method. Sixth one is the private private static method. Why private method is introduced in Java 9? It is used for reusability. You can reusability the private method inside the constructor. You cannot use the private method outside the constructor. Then what is the mm, inside the interface? Sorry, you should use the private method inside the interface. You cannot use the private method outside the interface. Then why will you use the interface? Interface is used to achieve the abstraction. Interface is used to achieve the abstraction. By interface we can support the multiple inheritance. By interface we can support the multiple inheritance. Interface also used to achieve the loosely coupling. Interface also used to achieve the loosely coupling. There are three region behind, three important point behind we are using interface in Java. It is achieve the abstraction, it is support the multiple inheritance, it is provide the loosely coupling, achieve the loosely coupling. Then we should go for the next question.